Oy! Barney! Oy! Oy! Happy New Year! Put it down again.
No.
Henry! Mom!
You wanna be locked in there, bro?
Yes, sir! No, sir, video.
Cellphone video. May light pa.
More! Get more for it!
Charge na kasi dedication book now. Kayo na ba?
No, sir. Ayan, save.
Sabi ba?
Put him down!
Number 8. Number 8.
Wait. Stop.
Patrick's alive!
Number 9.
Ha, Toby. Toby's blamed for again. This is the box. Alden started it. Yes, you started it. The food. No more. Yes, rice. Another mango something crap barbecue. Muffins. Sir, Miss Magbantay is here.
Yes, let's video.
But where is Mrs. Teodoro and Miss Yen? Mrs. Yen. Where, sir? Sir, how's the food?
Huh?
How's the food?
Fine. I am enjoying it. Everything's okay.
Let's ask some people. Sir, how's the food?
Haven't tasted it yet.
Take the, sir.
Take the barbecue.
There's
You like the crab? So it's good.
Ma'am, next some crab. Ma'am, that is really good.
Yeah, very good.
25.
Ma'am, kumain na kayo, ma'am. We want to video you eating 4 at a time.
No, 2 at a time. That's
Okay.
Ma'am, how's the crab?
I haven't tried it.
She'll try it now. Ma'am, eat.
Now,
Oh.
pinipinggan.
Can we put this down and you get the plates there? And bring it up again? You
Yes.
can't put it down. You have to eat
Why are
it
you
here.
picturing
You
their
can't eat
food?
it. We're full already. You have to eat. No.
Whoa.
Lock the door.
You got 4?
Lock the door.
Tickets for the rides. You can.
Tickets! Buy food.
Gusto kumuha ng tickets kasi wala makaka-ride.
Sir! Wait, that's a waste. No rides. Where is Mrs. Yen?